Okay, so we are replacing a screen today for Acer Chromebook CB3 111. It's a nice 8-inch Chromebook, and as always I get a screen from the Screen Country, cheapest one I can always find. And here you go. It's very basic, very easy tutorial. So you lay down on a flat surface. It has a clips. You can use tutorial tool like this, so you can go on the corners, gently pushed in and snap. You can hear the clicks. I think it's already loose, but you can see here. There you go. So once the top part is come off, there is a two lines here you can see. So just try to snap both sides, and there you go. And now gently go, and there you go. So once you hear the clips, there are just clips on the sides, comes off. Now it's pretty easy. There are 4 screws. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And always make sure before you start the troubleshooting or installation or anything like this, hold down the power button for 10 seconds, turn it off, make sure the power is off. Now gently just pushed out, and you can see the screen comes off. There is a cable at the bottom. Sometimes they glued, so you have to be careful. There you go. Okay, so let's see. There's a plastic latch is there. Let me see if I can find my other tool. So very gently go inside and try to pull out the plastic, or maybe just from the sides. And rip it off slowly, because we are reusing this the same one again. Now when you go at the way, but don't stretch it out. Go a little bit slowly. There is no latch or anything, it's just holding as a clip, so you just push gently, and there you go, your screen is out. It was broken screen, and that's the new one. So just go back, put it slowly. Make sure you go very slow and nice, because if you bend the cables, it will damage the cable or a connector. Okay. Having some trouble here because of the angle that cable snap goes in. There you go. Doesn't looks like it's all the way in. Oh, there you go. Once you make sure nice and tight clip, just push the buttons, and there you go. Looks like it's good. And normally, so what I do normally, just put it back first the way it's supposed to be. Okay, so looks like it's there. Okay, and I just turned on to make sure the screen is okay before we go further. And there you go, voila, brand new screen's working. Okay, so we just can shut it down. Make sure everything else is nice and tight now, properly set up. Oh, there you go. So just okay, and put the 4 screws back again. So always make sure again before you put everything back, turned on or plug the power, and make sure you get the power back up. Make sure the screen is working, everything is okay. Sometimes if the cable is loose, not connected properly, you will see the lines, or maybe it doesn't even power on. So that's where you know you might be able to unplug and replug again. Yeah, doesn't take too long, so just take your time, put it everything back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They always put a plastic film there, so gently, without pushing too much, take it out, and there you go. New screw is installed. I will always go from bottom to top to make sure they are nice. Once you put it the corners, now start from the top. Clips, you can hear the clips that we opened up, and the same way the clips comes off. Over here, try to use both hands, and there you go. Final test, turned on, and there you go. Looks all good, nice and tight. This one is for Acer CB3 model. Good luck.